Hi guys, welcome to Enlighten Trader, and in this video I am going to show what the trades I have taken from June 25th to July 2nd. And in this week I have not traded very regularly due to some work, and the market is also very choppy. So I have traded only in 2 or 3 days, and the screenshots I have taken is only on 2 days, and another day I have made a small profit of around 500 rupees. So I will show what trades I have taken on July 1st. As you can see here, on July 1st I have made a loss of 1600 rupees. The main reason is the July 1st is a expiry day, and as you can see here, the market was totally sideways. But at the end of the day, as the market is coming towards 34,600, I have bought the 34,600 put option at the end of the day, which caused me a loss of 1600 rupees. So I have accepted the loss and exited the day. Losses are very common in the trading. If you accept the loss only, you will make profitable. And coming to the next further, 2nd of July, and as you can see here, on 2nd of July I have made a profit of 4600 rupees. And on this day, you can see the market is pretty much sideways, but I have shorted a put option at these levels, and I have bought a put option here at this level. At this level I have bought a put option. At this breakdown I have bought a put option which gave me more profit. And this is a option buying strategy in which you can see there is very volatile, and the PNL is also very huge. It was the put was giving me 21,000 rupees profit, and call side it was giving me 17,000 loss. So it was a pretty volatile day. The market was moving either sides. On the option charts also you can see the market has moved on the either direction on both the call and put sides. So on these days, due to the margin and due to the illiquidity reasons, the market is behaving very violently and is not following the trend price action, and technical analysis is also very bad at this time. So further we should see what will happen on the Monday. As per my expectations, the market will stay in the range bound in this range only. As I have drawn the horizontal lines, will stay in this range only. If any side breakout will happens, the movement will be very strong. So sometimes not trading is also earning money. If you save the money, you can take the risk at any market situations, which will lead to proper risk to reward management, and you can take a risk upon your winning trade. So sometimes it is important to not trade. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.